So I've already filled in the answers for this course. I'll just proceed and submit. It's a very short one. So to submit, you choose one of these, choose one of the options, the one you think is the answer, and then you proceed. This is PHS 804 in 2022 first semester. When you finish choosing your answer, you go to submit. So I click next first before going to submit, finish, and then you come here and say submit all and finish, and that's it. To show you whatever you scored, here it is. Perfect. It says submitted today, Friday 11th March 2022, 8:49 a.m. So to check the courses, all of them has been submitted. So to check a final grade, you have to go up here to this avatar here, then you go to grades, the scores. You can see the scores are shown in front of each course. This is the one we just submitted, 804 is the score. If it were on your mobile phone, you will see this avatar here. You go there and you click on grades, then you see these courses and the scores in front of each course. So this is TMA 1 for this person, 2022 first semester.